All right, class, a new lesson, suspension types. So here is where we begin to dive into suspension systems. It's a great little lesson. I think you're going to enjoy some of the content. Got a couple of videos, a couple of links, and we're really going to dive into what it means to have a suspension on our vehicle, why we have it, the purpose it serves, how to service them, and a few other little details. So let's get started. What are we going to talk about today? Well, we're going to describe passenger type suspension, front and rear, what it means to have independent or non-independent suspension, what's the difference between the two, how can we identify it, what function does each suspension system component serve, what's its role in relation to the rest of the vehicle. What are the advantages and disadvantages of each design? How do steering linkages function? How do they perform their specified task to steer the vehicle? The types of linkages and components that we'll run into, and ways that we can inspect it, particularly this term. Look for this term as we discuss points today, dry park check or dry park test. Now that's a term that we're going to need to know, and a procedure that we're going to need to know how to perform. And then we'll quickly pop in and look at manual steering gears, racks, and boxes, as we generally call them in the trade. So rather than me give you a little overview of suspension, why don't we watch a little video, and then afterwards we'll talk about some of the points in the video. It's a bit crazy, the video, but I think you're going to enjoy it. Let's look.